क्या इस one मैं कुछ भी नहीं ये दिखाई नहीं दे रहा छोड़ दो ना यार अगर दिखा भी दे Hello everyone. So we are from team ClinXplain. So I I'm sure like people might have heard about Dr. misdiagnosed passing, and because of that they get a lot of in trouble. So to solve that issue, we have created this platform. Basically, we're trying to help doctor to have unburden their a lot of patient histories and a lot of patient information using our platform. So there are multiple features on our platform, and we have used like a lot of uh, platforms to make this happen. So this is the basic AI assistant agent that can help you do like a basic query about the patient history or even the basic like company policies and all those things. And then we have the Scrap AI Scrap one. So basically, what it does is like patient can the doctor can just take a note using this person. They can give the notification for if they need to follow up or not. So you can see the general notes after recording the transcription. So basically, patient can call the doctor or just use doctor can start recording and it creates like a proper note for doctor to remember for the next time. So what needs to be done next time, right? So and based on the agentic part, doctor can give feedback for what should be the next step. So this is very agentic thing. Like you can see, like they need to go plan. And based on this, the quick read output, the doctor can give like a feedback for like whether they need to follow up or not, right? So that's what we're trying to create. So you can see here, right? So these are all created by the agent. And then talking about the main feature we have is the self-evolving agent part where agent can help doctor to determine the patient history and get the correct relevant information and help diagnose the patient properly. So you can see here, so this is I'm a doctor and this is my patient, Sarah Williams. So she came to me, but I don't have her past history. She might give me a few reports, but there might be more than that, right? So there might be a lot of history she might have, but I need to go through her documents so I can just use this platform and get her information about what happened before, explain what the symptom were before and why she follow up today. Uh, and we also have this feature of doing the medical research. For this, we are using browser use agent, which is also the sponsor of today's event, who are like browser based. And so this is our platform. This is definitely going to help the doctors to, help diagnose the patient properly. Talking about the architecture of the project, so I designed the pipeline for the agent. So basically, I created like a sales evolving agent and test the iteration for like what's the base iteration to make this agent work properly. And then, sorry, you can see here. So based on my iteration using the whip, I found out the max number of iterations between 2 to 4 is more than enough for making this agent work properly. And then I have implemented the rack pipelines for which I've used Redis. And Redis is really good and really useful tool for, vector retrieval and also for the cache. You can see without the cache, like the response takes me around like 1.7 per second. But with the cache, it just takes me like 0.3 seconds. That is really cool stuff. And also I've evaluated the RAG framework using the RAGas. These are the response. And for this one, I've used Marimo notebook just to do this. And finally, after evaluating all the agents and tools that I need to create like a proper pipeline, I created like a self-evolving medical agent. And you can see the architecture of the project. So basically, user inputs, the user input, RAG retrieval, all the contexts are collected together, and the agent will synthesize the document. It iterates and find the best context to get the best response. And it keeps evolving based on the user feedback. Talking about the architecture in detail, you can go through our GitHub link and check like how it works. So it's like a really complex architecture.